Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple and delicious yogurt dip sauce. This creamy, rich, delicious yogurt sauce can be served with fresh vegetables, pita bread, or even some chips. You can also use this dip as your salad dressing or dressing for your sandwiches or gyros. In our house, we like it best with biryani and with kebabs. Let's begin. At first, we will take 1 cup of plain yogurt. You can take Greek yogurt if you want to. Then add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of salt. To balance out the salt, we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add finely chopped green chilies. I took about 2 small size of chilies. If you don't like spicy, you can skip this. Add 1/4 cup of finely chopped yellow bell pepper. If you don't have any yellow bell pepper, you can use red or green bell pepper. Mix everything together until it's creamy and silky. Don't forget to give it a taste, just to make sure the salt, sugar, and the black pepper are in right balance. Make it at home and enjoy with your family. Meanwhile, I will enjoy it with my Persian chicken kebab. For the kebab recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. Thank you!